Get rid of that strength and hit gem in your razor. I mean, gauntlet.
Rebel's dead.
Mine's on cooldown.
Somebody's getting something coming off cooldown.
I have it first.
Remember, move out at 8.
Your turn.
Dag has cooldown. The deep.
Doorward taking Dag's position.
An 8er that work.
Doom's gonna have to finish that crystal. And Lavore is too far away. There's no one to take his spot.
Nice.
I got.
Damn it, final.
Doom, stay away from me!
I was trying to run from you.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Final here. I'll take it.
I have to get to that crystal. I keep getting blocked. Everyone with a stupid debuff is surrounding it.
Your turn, Deacon.
Onyx, when you need to switch out, just move as far away as you can. I'll tell you when I got it. Got it.
Your turn, Deacon.
Deacon has a debuff.
Deacon has 12.
Shit, I got it.
Onyx and I are probably gonna have to take the entire second crystal.
Yep.
Okay.
I'll go first, Onyx, and I'll move out at a little way. With your AMS, you can take the rest.
I got 60
You can move
seconds.
at about 9. I'll use this.
I can't see.
If you can't take
I
it.
just Roddy just replugged me. No, I'm good. Never mind. Back away. I'm meleeing. Oh, Onyx, why the hell did you take it?
I can
Heal
go
Onyx.
now.
Okay, Rock got it. Take it off from when you need it.
Just run out when you can. Alright.
Your turn, Deacon.
Pull your head.
No, back up.
You got your
Oh, 1
band.
minute. You got 1 minute. 18 mil. 18%.
I can't take.
How long until your debuff's off, Rebel?
5 seconds. I'll take it after you do. Alright, go do.
Don't cool down.
Bottom
There's it.
Yeah!
Congrats, guys.
Yeah!
That's an exalted rebel.
That's a Rebel. Now you don't need my ring, right?